Welcome. This episode we will be building two parts. First part will be part 5-41, left-hand slide Fulcrum pin bush. Second part will be part 5-42, right-hand slide Fulcrum pin bush for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-41, left-hand slide Fulcrum pin bush. Ooh, that's fun to say. Let's go. File, new, MMGS, save, 5-4, not 4, 1, left-hand slide Fulcrum, Fulcrum, pin bush. All right, let's go. Front plane, sketch. It's going to be a circle. It's got a diameter of 38. Yes, it is. 38. That's going to be extruded thickness of 5. Not worry about mid-plane. Then sketch on that one, either face. Going to do that one. And it's going to be, let's see, it's going to be 2 circles. Smart dimension. Outer one will be 19. Oh, it wasn't far off. Inner one will be 11. Yes. 19. Yes, correct. That's going to be screwed out by 24 and done. So that's there. Just got to put 3 holes in here. So let me go to normal, sketch. Let me do a circle. It's going to be construction. That's going to be a thing of 29. 29. Let me do 1 to there. There. Cross there somewhere randomly, and there. You just delete that one. And that one will be locked. And that one will be locked. Nope. Hold on. Too many picked. Too many things picked. There we go. Now we want, that's going to be 360 divided by 3. Nope. Divided by 3. 120. That's it. Thank you. 120. And that should be 120 there. So you want 3. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so now we want circle normal. 1 there. 1 there. And 1 there. Smart dimension. That's going to be a whole of 5. Yeah, smart dimension 1, 2. You can measure all them too with the smart dimension. At times it's easy to go that way. You got 3 holes there. Going to be through cut, through all, and done. And that should be it. Let's check 5, 24, 11, 19. There's no threads. And 3 of those. Yep, that's it. That's part 5-41. Left-hand slide Fulcrum pin bush for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Alright, we're going to do part 542. But because it's the same as 541, we're going to put this together in the same episode as well. So we're going to do a save as. So it's going to be 542, right hand, slide Fulcrum pin bush. Let me make sure that's the correct name. slide Fulcrum push pin. Yes, it is. Pin bush, I mean. So it's pretty much exactly the same as this one. Let me just save that. The only difference is this hole goes through and there's actually an inlay there. So let me go normal. I didn't mean do normal. That's what I want. Let's see now. Let me do there. That's going to be extrude. That's good enough. There we go. And then let me do a normal tool on that one and a sketch layer. I want to do another circle. And that's going to be 14. Oh, it wasn't far off. 14. And that's going to be extrude cut by 1.5 mil. And done. And that's that part done. That's part 5-41 left-hand slide Fulcrum pin bush. And part 5-42 right-hand slide Fulcrum pin bush. Parts done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, stay building. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll leave you. I will see you next episode. Remember, stay building. That's parts 5-41 left-hand slide Fulcrum pin bush and 5-42 right-hand slide Fulcrum pin push.